Hi, my name is Patricia Handalancer and this is my final project. First, I would like to start with what is the definition of a derivative. A derivative is an expression representing the rate of change of a function with respect to an independent variable, and it originated from the word derivativus from Latin, meaning having the power to draw off. First, I would like to start with the formula for differentiation by definition, which is f prime of x equals, when the limit of h approaches 0, then f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h. To understand the formula, first you have to insert the problem with x plus h plugged in every x, and then you subtract that problem to again plugging the problem with x plugged in every x. I mean, you have to plug in all the problem again, but instead of plugging in x plus h, you have to just plug in the x. And then you all divide it by x. Things you have to remember is that when a plus b is elevated to the third power, meaning a cubic, you have to plug in this result. My problem is problem number 5, which is f of x equals 6x minus x elevated to the third power. Okay, first the procedure. This is the problem. First you have to plug in x plus h in every x of the problem, which is this part, this parenthesis. Then remember you have to subtract this problem to again the same problem, but instead of x plus h, plugging in just x, which is this part of the problem. Then dividing it all by h. First you have to FOIL, remember what I just said earlier. When a parenthesis is elevated to the third power, this will be the result, from plus 6h to minus h elevated to the third power. When you do FOIL, this will be all the result. Again, remembering to divide everything by h. First, we have to see if there are any common factors that we can eliminate. In this case, we do have 6x can be eliminated with this, that is minus 6x. Another thing we can eliminate is minus x elevated to the third power with plus x elevated to the third power. If we get out all the things we eliminated, this is our result. The next thing we have to do is get out any common factors. In this case will be the h, for example 6h minus 3x elevated to the second power times h minus 3x h elevated to the second power minus h elevated to the third power. This will be the outcome. Here we have the same common factors, so we can eliminate also this h. After we get rid of these two h's, this will be the outcome, 6 minus 3x to the second power minus 3x times h minus h to the second power. Remember that when the limit of h approaching 0, this means that we can plug in a 0 in every h. And if we do 0 to the second power, this will be eliminated. Also, when we multiply a 0 times a number, we can eliminate this also. So the main result will be 6 minus 3x to the second power. So, thank you for watching.